This is work 13. This is a photograph taken by Alydia Wever again, and this reflects My Home is Upside Down, the title. My home is upside down. Why is this actually? Why my home is upside down? I mean, during the times of COVID, starting COVID last year in 2020, I realized how badly the situation was here, was on this island, but also the situation with our bodies, with our minds, physically, and also representing monuments on this island that has taken a long process for the monuments to be restored, to be taken care of, to be saved, and to be put in a way as a form, a way to represent our cultural heritage, you know? I mean, people have lived in these monuments, people have created these places and created stories during their times, creating history for now. And then, you know, some of them, many of these monuments were thrown down. And also, it made me reflect on my own house, on my own home, that was not finished because I was thinking and dedicating more, if I have to explain this more within the depth of my children, education. I would put the money into private schools, private Montessori schools, because I believe that Montessori is a new education actually. And so it's about sacrifices we make for ourselves, for our family, for our kids, for these new generations to have more access, to have more space, to have more harmony and peace, and also to have a better world, to create a better life, more understandable, more open, more healthier, I think. And also trying to hold on to the core, to the, you know, to the basis part, the basic part of the house. Your body, my body is a house, it's a temple, it's a house, you can call it whatever you want, but it's living. A house is also living. If you don't live in a house anymore, it will come down, it will crumble down, it loses life, it loses energy, it loses repairing, it loses love, it loses everything. So it's the same thing for my island. Island Aruba is my home. I miss that a lot. I did miss that since we left. But also I missed that that people would take care of it. You know, you have to take care of your house, you have to take care of the island, you have to be more responsible for your actions, you have to be more loving, caring, you know, for what you have, because when it's lost, you cannot get it back, you know. So that's my interpretation of this work called My Home is Upside Down.